Hello, you are warmly welcome to our channel. If today is your first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comments are very important to us. If you have any question, drop it under the comment section. I will be coming there and humbly answer you. Today I'm here to teach you how you can make your own love and attraction perfume. That is, if you are a man and you want women to love you, you want women to buzz in your DM, you want women to DM you, you want women to fall for you, you want to be attracted to women, try and watch this video till the end. We are going to use just 77 perfume and cinnamon powder. It is very simple by mighty love remedy. After you are done with this and you are using, you are going to experience a great magic. You are going to believe that indeed there is power in nature. If you are a woman and you want men to chase you, you can also do this. If you want men to buzz in your DM, if you want men to jam you, try do this. It is very simple by mighty. We are just using just 77 perfume and cinnamon powder. In fact, it works like magic. Cinnamon powder is common. If you go to any nearby shop, you will get cinnamon powder. You are going to be attracted to the opposite sex. So if you are man, you will be attracted to women, and if you are woman, you will be attracted to men. It is very powerful. And if you are experiencing hatred in your neighborhood or the house that you are in, you can also do this, and you are going to be loved all around. It is super powerful. It works like magic. Just go to any nearby spiritual shop, then get yourself 77 perfume. If you get that one, buy your cinnamon powder. These two materials are needed for this love and attraction perfume. It works super powerful. This is what you are going to do. You get some quantity of the cinnamon powder, then you drop it or put it inside the 77 perfume. Now keep it, just close it with the top, the cover, then keep it at a safe place in your room for 7 days. Allow it to stay for 7 days. After 7 days, you can start using it. You can start using it when you take your bath early in the morning. You apply some to your body, you apply it on your face, you rub it on your face. That is, you smear it on your face. Then you go to wherever you are going. If you are going for a party, you can do it. Wherever you are going, then try, apply it to your face or smear it on your face and go and see how you will be attracted to the opposite sex. In fact, it works like magic. It is super powerful. You will just attest to its efficacy all by yourself. So try it and come here with your testimony. This is a very simple but mighty love and attraction perfume that you can do it yourself, and it works extremely good. It is super powerful. It works great. So try it and come here with your testimony. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Try and do it and come here with your testimony. See you next time in my next video. But let me remind you, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest update. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comment, as I always say, are very important to us, because if I teach and you don't understand, it means I am teaching in vain. So it is for your understanding. That is why I am teaching here. So if you have anything that is confusing you, you can drop it under the comment section and I will humbly answer you. Thank you once again. See you next time in my next video.